Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you guys. I'm gonna try out a bunch of new products. They're mostly drugstore makeups, but only the foundation and the primer is high end. So I have very few products to just try out. I'm not gonna give any first impressions. It might be first impression, but I'm not doing a whole review kind of a video, you know. So let's just start the video, and all the products whichever I'm using, it will be listed in the description below so you can check it out. So first I have this Smashbox primer. This is the crystallized primer. I know it is not very new for primer, but it's been a while it is in market, so I just wanted to try out. So let's see, I'll take maybe 2 pumps of it. It is kind of watery, so let's see. It is not exactly like the Max Stroke cream, but it has a lot of shimmers in it, and it is rose gold. I don't know whether you can see it in the video, but it is very glowy, but it is very subtle, not as compared to the Max Stroke cream. Then I have this new Dior foundation. It is the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation. I purchased the shade 2.5N. They don't have a lot of shade range. I think even this is, I think, more my skin color, or it is a bit dark, I'm not sure, but I think they had only 7 to 8 shades, which is really not good because it is such a big brand. It is a luxury brand, it is not even a high-end brand. So more shades for all the skin colors, that would be really good. Now let's see, it has a pump, so I'm gonna take 3 pumps. This is 3 pumps. I don't know whether it will match my skin. It is very dark. I think it kind of matches my skin. Yeah, actually it is perfect for my skin because I purchased the neutral shade. I think this foundation they had earlier, but they reformulated. I think they have it in the matte version as well as the glow version, and my skin is dry, and I like more of a satin finish or glowy finish. So now the Fenty Beauty has come out with the new foundations, the hydrating foundation, hydrating primer. Even Anastasia has come out with the new luminous foundation and loose powder, and the new Jackie Aina palette. I don't think I'm gonna purchase it next month, maybe September end or October start. So this is how the foundation it is looking. Really nice. It is really nice glowy foundation, and I added the glowy primer, so I think even that helps in making the foundation more glowy. Please excuse, my face is having a lot of breakouts, I don't know why. So now we'll use the concealer. For concealer I have this Wet n Wild concealer. It is a bit dark for me, not really great. I'll add a bit of Shape Tape to it. Yeah, kinda dark. And even the Wet n Wild concealer, they had, I think, only 4 to 5 shades, and I think this was the lighter shade, and it is too dark. It is blending out really nicely, but I don't think it is very full coverage. It blended out so easily. I think just in 1 2 3 done. It is not a very thick concealer, it is very thin formulated concealer, and it's nice. My dark circles are very deep, but I'm really liking the concealer. I wish I had a bit lighter shade. I'll just add little of the Tarte Shape Tape. So So that's how it is looking now. We'll just set the face really fast. I'll use my Coverfx loose setting powder. I really love this powder. I think more than the Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier gets a bit drying for my under eyes, but this is nice. So I quickly did my eyebrows. Now for the eyes, I'm going to use this new Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. It is the Nude Awakening. I'll just fast forward this part because I'm not gonna do any eye tutorial as such. As you can see, this black, this is really good how dark it is, but I had a lot of fallout, so I will have to correct that. But this is what I have done. I'll just put this light pink shimmer shade all over my lids, and I'll just correct my under eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just added a bit of concealer and powder on top of that. So this is how the eye look is looking. I am really loving this palette. It is really good. I think it is the black color is gorgeous. It is very dark. Now for the rest of the face, I have this new bronzer from Wet n Wild. This is the Ticket to Brazil bronzer. They have, I think, 4 shades. So this is the packaging, really nice. I'll just do the usual. It has a little bit of shimmer to it, not very much. It is not a matte bronzer, that is for sure. I think the shade is okay, not that great. I like the Hoola and the Too Faced one much better. Now for the blush, I have this Wet n Wild blush. This was the, I think, the Hummingbird collection, but these were the blush toppers, and it is really pretty. It has hummingbird embossed on it. So I'll use this as my blush. It is very nice, very glowy, too glowy actually. Let's see, I'll use a simple nude foundation from the Wet n Wild. This is the Rose Champagne. I'll use this as my base, and then I'll top it up with the Hummingbird one. I'll use this just a bit as my topper, and I think I'll use this as my highlighter. It will match with my, eye look. Actually, I had these, toppers from Lottie London. I have these 3 shades. I'll just swatch and see which one looks good. So I have these 2 shades. Let's see, I'll just add a little bit. Not looking that great. I spoiled my eye look actually. So for the highlighter, I'll use this same one. Now for the lips, we'll do really something simple. My lips are dry, so for the lip liner, I'll use this Mikyajy lip liner in the number 205. Then I have this, lipstick from Makeup Forever. This is the Nude Artist Nude Creme lipstick, and I have the shade 02 Flesh. It is a really pretty pink color. I used it, I think, once for Eid, and I'm using this second time. So yeah guys, this was my final output. I really love this Wet n Wild palette. I think it was for 30 to 40 dirhams. It was really good. The highlighter blush topper is also really good. The lipstick is really comfortable. I think it's been around 20 minutes, but it still looks wet. Yeah, but it is really comfortable, not heavy at all. The foundation, I think it is a little bit uh, dark for me. I really love the primer. It's good. So guys, yeah, if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. And yeah, all the details, all the product details will be listed in the description below, so you can check it out. And if you want, you can also follow me on Instagram if you wish to. So yeah guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.